Okay, hi Nana. So, in the previous class, we have discussed the acidic strength of alcohols. Now we'll discuss about the chemical reactions. In that, already we have completed that reaction with sodium metal and also aluminium. Now we will discuss about esterification. Esterification. Okay. So esterification reaction. So the alcohols when react with acids in the presence of mineral acid. Alcohol when react with acids. Acids mean R C double bond O H. Okay, alcohols react with acids. So in the presence of H2SO4 acid. Okay. So here the alcohol and acid, carboxylic acid, both react, and in the case of alcohols the breakage takes place in the case of OH bond breakage. In the case of acid the bond breakage at CO. Okay, always mind it, the bond breakage in the case of acid is CO bond breakage. In the case of alcohol OH bond can be break, so water can be removed. Okay, and forms R dash O C double bond O R. C double bond O R, right? So this oxygen, okay, this oxygen is this, okay. So this is the ester. This is the ester. This is the reversible reaction. This is the reversible reaction. So here percentage of yield, if you see here, acid is act as a catalyst. Acid is act as a catalyst. Okay, and also here yield of the reaction, the ester formation ability of various alcohols with organic acids. So primary is more reactive. Primary alcohols. Primary alcohols more reactive than secondary alcohols, than tertiary alcohols. Okay, so the reactivity. So this is the esterification reaction, right? Next, the same esterification reaction also formed when alcohols react with acid halides. Okay, now acid halides, reaction with acid halides, reaction with acid halides, acid halides. Acid halides mean R C double bond O Cl. Acid halide when react with alcohol R dash OH. This is the alcohol. Okay, now alcohol and acid, acid chloride when react in the presence of pyridine. Okay, pyridine. Okay. So here HCl can be break. HCl can be break out. R C double bond O R dash. Okay, plus HCl. So HCl formed can be takes the backward side of the reaction. So to stop that backward reaction by HCl, we have added pyridine. The pyridine can be neutralized as HCl. Pyridine neutralizes HCl formed. Okay, na? And stop reversibility of the reaction. Reversibility of the reaction. Okay, na? So acid halides. Example, you can take acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride when react with ethanol C2H5, ethanol in the presence of pyridine. Okay, now here HCl can be break, eliminate, and also CH3 C double bond O C2H5 plus HCl. So ethyl ethanoate or ethyl acetate. This is ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate is a formed. Ethyl acetate is a formed, right? So this is a reaction with the acid halides. And also the same reaction is done with the acetic anhydrides. Okay, na? With the acetic anhydride also this reaction can be done, right? Okay. Okay. Next, alcohols reaction with acetic anhydrides. Alcohols reaction with anhydrides. So next, reaction with anhydrides. Anhydrides. Alcohols reaction with anhydrides. So this is the anhydride or C double bond O. C double bond O R. This is called anhydride. Anhydride. This anhydride when react with the alcohol R dash OH. Alcohol same in the presence of acidic medium. In the presence of acidic medium, this is the reversible reaction. Okay. So here again, here the bond cleavage takes place. Okay. Here the bond cleavage takes place. Okay. So always in the alcohol OH bond cleavage takes place. Now R C double bond O and O R dash, and this plot, okay na, this double part, okay na, this part is going to form as acid R dash C double bond O OH. Okay, this is the ester and this is carboxylic acid. So both are formed. This is the reversible reaction. Okay, I will take some examples. For example, acetic anhydride. This is called as acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride when react with, for example, methanol. This is called as methanol, you know that. So in the presence of acidic medium, so here what happened, this part can be eliminated. Okay, now we will get CH3 C double bond with this part, this ending part join with this part, OCH3 plus acetic acid CH3COOH, C double bond OOH. Okay na? This is the ester methyl ethanoate or methyl acetate, and this is acetic acid. Okay, this is methanol, you know that, methanol. So acetic anhydride also when react with alcohols they forms esters. They forms as esters. Okay, so this is also ester formation reaction. Okay na, ester formation reaction. And also when react with inorganic esters, okay na, formation of inorganic ester, reaction with mineral acids, mineral acids mean inorganic acids, generally H2SO4, HNO3, those are called as mineral acids. So alcohol when react with mineral acids, HONO2, this is a nitric acid, this is HNO3. Okay na, this is HNO3. Okay na, both react and here water elimination takes place. Now we will get RONO2. NO2 is this is, okay na. So this is look like ester, so this is called as inorganic ester. Okay na, this is also we can write like this, R dash O N double bond O. Okay, an ROC double bond OO type. So this is called as inorganic ester. Inorganic ester. Okay, this is called as inorganic ester. Inorganic ester. Okay, now water can be removed. Water is the byproduct. Water is the byproduct. Okay. So with the mineral acids also the reactions are takes place like this.